Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation the name of this traditional Italian dessert, also known as honey balls, which is a Napolitan dish made of deep-fried balls of sweet dough. How do you go about pronouncing this name? In Italy, in Italian, this would be said as Struffoli. Struffoli. You do want to stress on the first syllable, Struffoli, but it'd be fine in English to say it as Struffoli. Struffoli from Italian, Struffoli. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of more delicious dishes from Italy whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.